Alright, so you want to move your USDT from Safepal to Bybit, but you're not sure how to do it without risking your hard-earned crypto. Don't worry, I've got your back. Here's how to transfer USDT from Safepal to Bybit in just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Get your USDT deposit address on Bybit. Log into your Bybit account, whether that's through the app or your browser. Head over to Assets, then tap on Deposit. Find USDT and select it. Now here's something you can't skip. Pick the same network that your USDT is sitting on inside Safepal. Most beginners use TRC20 on the Tron network. It's fast, and more importantly, the fees are super low. Copy your TRC20 deposit address or grab it with a quick QR scan. Step 2. Make sure you're looking at the right USDT network in Safepal. This part trips a lot of people up. USDT lives on different networks: ERC20, BEP20, TRC20, so each one uses a totally different wallet address. If you can't see USDT TRC20 in your Safepal wallet, just tap Manage and enable the TRC20 option. Always double-check you're dealing with the right network, or your funds could disappear into the crypto void. Step 3. You'll need a little bit of TRX, Tron's native token, to pay for the transaction fees. Every blockchain charges these fees in their own coins. On Tron, it's TRX. If you don't have any, buy or send a few TRX. 5 to 10 is usually enough, using an exchange or Safepal swap feature. Without TRX in your wallet, your transfer simply won't go through. Step 4. Time to initiate the transfer. In Safepal, open your USD to TRC20 wallet and hit Send. Paste that TRC20 address you copied from Bybit. Enter the amount of USDT you want to move and confirm the transaction, including the small TRX fee. Once you approve, your USDT is on its way. On Tron, transfers usually take just a few minutes. Grab a coffee, but don't blink, you might miss it. Step 5. Check your Bybit account. Head back to the app or website and look in your spot account for the new USDT deposit. As soon as the Tron network confirms it, your funds will show up. And there you have it. 5 steps, 0 headaches, and your USDT is safely in Bybit, ready to trade or withdraw. Always double-check your addresses and networks before sending any crypto. I hope this helped. Hit like if it did, and I'll see you in the next one.